Although you have no control over the disease and the progression, you do have control over other parts of your life that come with this disease. You need to eat right. You need to make sure you're getting enough calories in. Being short of breath burns calories that you're not aware of. People lose weight when they have chronic lung disease. So eat right, make sure you're getting enough sleep. There are over 65% of patients with IPF have untreated sleep apnea. So you need to make sure your sleep is being corrected, and get your vaccines. You know, you need to stay active, you need to stay strong, and really keep in a positive attitude. And I say this a lot too, is you need to organize your team. So on those days when you're not feeling good, somebody else is there to kind of help you along. But you know, we're all in it together, and you get through it, and we're all here together doing it.